Hi students, welcome back. Hope you all are safe at home. Today we are going to discuss about refraction, lenses and dispersion. First we are going to discuss about refraction. For that, let us do an experiment. Take a glass with water and put a pen or pencil in it. What do you see? Why does the pencil appear broken? We know that the pencil is not broken. This is due to refraction. When light travels from one medium to another, its path undergoes a deviation. This phenomenon of light is called refraction. This is due to refraction. It appears broken. The light rays traveled through two different media. The light rays that come to the eyes after getting reflected from the part of the pencil which is above the surface of water travel only through the air. But the light rays that return from the part of the pencil that is below the surface of water first travel through water and then through the air. Hence, the light rays first enter the air from water. So, a deviation takes place to the path. Hence, the pencil appears to be bent. There is another activity in your textbook. Place a coin on a plate kept on a table. Ask your friend to walk backwards looking at the coin. Ask him to stop at the position when the coin disappears from the sight. Pour water in small quantities into the plate. What happens? Yes, when we walk away from the glass that contains the coin, the light rays that get reflected from the coin do not reach our eyes. So we cannot see the coin. But when water is poured into the glass, the light rays first travel through water and then through the air. So a deviation to the path take place. We have now learned about different types of mirrors. All of them reflect light. Now let us study about the other few objects which allow light to pass through them. Lenses. Lens with thick central portion and thin edges is convex lens. Lenses with thin central portion and thick edges is concave lens. Next is the characteristics of image formed using convex lens. The image formed using convex lens is diminished, inverted. As it is possible to cast the image on the wall or screen, the image is said to be real. But if we try to get the images of distant object using a concave lens, the image is not captured on the wall. So the image is said to be virtual. Next is uses of lenses. Convex lenses are used in microscope, telescope, binocular, etc. In spectacles for rectifying long sight, convex lenses are used. Concave lenses are used in the spectacles for rectifying short sight. There is an activity in your textbook. Take some water in a transparent vessel. Add some milk or soap to the water to make the path of light rays clearer. Send light beams into the water using two laser torches. You can see light traveling in a straight line. First, place a convex lens in the path of light outside the vessel but close to it. What happens to light rays passing through a lens? In the picture A, the convex lens brings the light rays that pass through it closer to each other. On the next picture, using concave lens separates the light rays passing through it. Concave lens diverges the light rays passing through it. Don't you see a rainbow? How many colors it have? Do you know what's the reason behind this? Just take a look how rainbow is formed. A rainbow is generally formed when the sun appears just it has rain. All this time, many water droplets present in the air. When the sunlight passes through the water droplets in the atmosphere, each water droplets act like a prism and refracts this incident sunlight. As soon as the sunlight enters into the prism, it split into its constituent seven colors, that is Vibgeo. After refraction, it comes out of the raindrop. The rainbow in the sky is due to the dispersion of sunlight by the water droplets present in the atmosphere. Or splitting up of white light into the component colors is called dispersion. The phenomenon of splitting up of white light into the component colors is called dispersion. Let's look at an activity using prism. Place a cardboard with a hole at its center at a position such that the sunlight falls directly on it. Next, keep the prism such that the light passing through the hole of the cardboard falls on the surface of the prism. At the other end of the prism, fix a white sheet as shown. As the sunlight passes through the prism, you will observe a beautiful band of colors appearing on the white sheet. If you look at the color, they are in the order violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. The light coming from the sunlight was white light. From where does we get these colors? Do you know? Actually, violet consists of seven colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. When the white light coming from the sunlight falls on the prism, it splits this incident white light into its constituent colors. The splitting occurs because different colors of sunlight bend through different angles with respect to the incident ray when they was through the prism. The red light bends the least, the violet bends the most. Thus, we are able to see the visible bands of colors. So, the phenomenon of splitting up of white light into its component colors is dispersion. It occurs because different colors in white light undergo different extent of refraction. So students, let's summarize. Today we discussed about refraction, lenses and its characteristics, and about dispersion. That's all for today. Thank you.